All right, greetings, COFA staff. So today I'm going to teach you how to create a homepage for one of your Canvas courses. So first off, you have to go into the course. So we're going to go courses, and I'm going to actually create a Canvas course for my tech workshops. But this is what a undeveloped Canvas course is going to look like when you first go into it. So what we want to do to create a homepage that our kids can see when they first go into your course is we want to go to Pages, and we want to click New Page. And so in this page, you have a title bar. You have the text box that has all of your standard like Microsoft Word tools up here. And then you have a few options down here, but not much. All right, so what we're going to do is just title this first page homepage. And then in here, you put all the information that you want your students to have at their disposal on the home page. And so you can add a picture. So this page is all about technology. So I'm going to go ahead and put just copy and paste a picture to make it look somewhat fancy here. Maybe. There we go. And so that pops up. And so I've got a picture in there. And then I can just type a message to my students. One thing that I highly recommend to you is that you put your email address on here, and maybe any other ways that you are comfortable with the kids communicating with you, so that it's reminding them each and every time. Now, some other things that you can put on here is you can link things to other pages. We haven't created any other pages in here, so I can't really show you how to do that currently, but we're still just trying to get the basics set up. Now, what you can do here is just like any Microsoft Word document, is I can highlight the various text, and we can change the size of font. We can center it up and just make this look nice. And this is going to, again, allow your students to be welcomed to this page. But also, this is an important part of just the general setup of any Canvas page to make sure that it gets published properly and that it has everything that it needs. So once we get this done, and you can continue to put as much stuff on this page as you want to, but once you get it to where you like it, then you want to come down here and you want to save and publish. The key is that you have to publish it. All right, so now this is what students would see when they land on my homepage, but it's not the homepage yet. We still have to set it as the homepage. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to these three dots, and we're going to select Use as Front Page. Again, select Use as Front Page. All right, so now it's the front page, but it's still not our home page. So what we're going to do is click Back Home, and we're going to go over here and we're going to say Choose Home Page. And then we're going to go Pages, Front Page, and hit Save. And with that, now when students land on my, or go to my Canvas course, they're going to land on my home page. Again, you can add as much stuff as you want to this page. You could put your daily objective on this page. You could put your proficiency scale on this page, or you can link other places that you want the kids to be able to go. You can edit this at any time by clicking Edit, and it takes you right back in there to the same setup, and then I can click in here and I can do whatever I need to do. And so that is how you set up a home page. It's quick and easy. And if you have any questions on this, please feel free to email me at bfrans@umaunion.org. Thank you.